So this is the problem that I will be using. 2H2 plus 1O2 equals 2H2O. The two numbers I'll be using is 5 and 2. So let's start off with 5, and we're going to start off with hydrogen. So the first thing you want to do is write 5 grams H2 times 1 over 2.02. The reason why it's 2.02 is because hydrogen equals 1.01. And if you multiply that times 2, you'll get 2.02. So when you put that in the calculator, 5 divided by 2.02, you should get 2.47 grams. So your second step you're going to do is 2.47 grams hydrogen second times 2 over 2. So when you put this in the calculator, you should get 2.47 grams. Alright, so your third step, finally, is 2.47 times 18.00. The reason why 18.00 is because 2.02 plus 16 gives you 18. The reason why it's 2.02 is because hydrogen is to the second, and then oxygen to the second, which is 16. Well, not to the second, just to the first, which will give you 18. So, when you put this in the calculator, your final answer you should get is 44.46. So, this is just for your 5. So, we're done with 5, so you can cross that out. So, now let's solve for 2 using oxygen. So, the problem's already wrote out. So, what you're going to do is, you're going to do 0. Well, let's start off with the first step. 2 grams oxygen 2 times 1 over 32. The reason why you're getting 32 is because oxygen equals 16.0. So if you multiply that times 2, you should get 32. You put that in the calculator, 2 divided by 32, you should get 0.0625 grams. So then your second step will be 0.0625 grams, because you're using your answer that you got for step 1, times 1 over 2. When you put this in the calculator, you should get 0.03125. So finally, your third step, you're going to be using your answer that you got for step 2, which is 0.03125 times 18, which will give you 0.5625. So, my limited reaction is going to be 0.5625. The reason being is because that's the lowest number. Because if you look at your first answer, you got 44.46, and for this answer, you got 0.5625. And this is lower, so this is going to be your limited reaction. This is my final answer. That's it.